We are seeing cases rise in UK and other parts of Europe. We are seeing rates going up in China. Hong Kong is being hit pretty hard right now. I don't think that Americans need to be panicked right now, but I think that they need to pay attention and keep an eye on case counts in their community. 2 years into the pandemic, there has been this regular pattern where when we see a COVID surge in Europe, we typically will see a surge here in the US a few weeks later. There's no reason to think that that won't happen again this time. We are also seeing case surges out of Asia, Hong Kong, mainland China. The experts that we've talked to say that that obviously plays a role, but where we need to keep our eyes most focused is on what's happening in countries like the UK that are closer to us. The models show that there will be a bump. It's inevitable. It's not, will it? It definitely will. But again, that million-dollar question is, how serious will that bump be? There is a lot of concern that because of politically and because of just where we're at with pandemic fatigue in this country, that getting people to mask up again and going through all this again is going to be a pretty hard sell. There is a lot of issue about how this is going to go down is going to be based on people's behavior. Experts are saying what they've said, all along is you need to pay attention to community transmission. You need to pay attention to the environment that you're in. Those are all still important. Masking still really works. Those are what experts are going to be recommending if we start seeing this again. There's been a lot of discussion about whether or not there will be a fourth shot and, yet another booster. There's the 2 initial shots that make for the fully vaccinated. Then there's the 1 booster that everyone is already recommended to get. I think that that's being evaluated right now. And again, it may be that you see different groups, people who are more high risk, being recommended first to get that 4th shot. I know that there has been a great deal of urgency, even absent this particular wave that we're seeing elsewhere, about new variants emerging. Though it feels like this has been going on forever, we're still only 2 years into this. We don't know everything that COVID has in store for us. And so that's what I know the push from the vaccine makers and from federal regulators really has been, so that we're prepared to deal with that, if and when that happens.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.